Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to open up File Explorer option on your Windows computer. This will apply for all Windows guys. If you are trying to modify your File Explorer setting, here I show you guys how to open the option in three methods guys. It's easy methods, you can find it. Go to search menu and type File File Explorer option option. Here comes File Explorer option guys. In here click on it, and here this is the first method I show you guys. File Explorer option, click OK, and next go for the next step. Search here File Explorer, click on it, and you just want to go to the middle three dot icon, click on it and go to options. Here opens File Explorer option guys. This is second method. You can find whatever methods you are easy to use. Let's go for third method guys. Search menu and type control panel, open it. Category view by to large icon, and here opens File Explorer option, click on it, and here the File Explorer option guys, you can change whatever you want it. That's it, close out of here. That's it guys, I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.